In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw XRP from Binance. Now, if you want to send somebody XRP or you want to withdraw your XRP from a Binance to another of your wallet, let's say your KuCoin, your MEX, your EZDOS or your Trust Wallet, I'm going to show you what you need to do. So if you are using Trust Wallet for an example now, I'm going to click on Trust Wallet. If it's not added up here in this option, click on this Manage Crypto. Come on here, type in XRP and then on it, right? Once you have on it, you're going to just come on here. Click on that receive to copy your wallet address. Go to your Binance, click on send, click on the second option. Come on here, type in XRP. So wait for it to load up and open up now. So I'm gonna just give it. So yeah, it's gonna open up now. Yeah, so this is it, XRP. So you're gonna click on it. So you're gonna paste the wallet address here. You're gonna select second option. You're going to enter the tag needed. You're going to select the amount. Once you're done, click on the withdrawal and do the important verification step by step. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I will see you in the next video.